Guys, what's up my beautiful people? My name is Joy and welcome back to our channel Joy Luxury Events. We share the arts and crafts behind luxury celebrations. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate. So now guys, niliwaambia Joy Luxury Events tunafanya decorations, tunafanya events planning, tunafanya catering, cakes, photography, name them, so that your events can be colorful and unforgettable. Guys, today we are about to do something great for our clients. So we are preparing lunch for 100 packs. Tutapikia food hapa. Location the Africana Falls. Africana Falls, this is where we do the magic. Tuko na Airbnbs hapa, by the way. Tuko na garden perfect for your occasions. So when you see Joy Luxury Events, unaona pia Africana Falls. So kama uko na event, tafadhali to book. Unaweza book through Africana Falls ama Joy Luxury Events. Tutakupikia, tutakuletea, tutawaserve, and I'm telling you, your guests will be so happy because we don't just come to play, we come to deliver. So come with us as we prepare lunch for our client today. Saseni, how are you guys? Naongea na my viewers lakini ni sawa. Pia nyinyi mko aje? But mko aje? Mnashinda aje? That was not cool anyway. So, the day has been good. We tumechoka lakini ni sawa tu, ni hali ya job. So tuko hapa, we are getting ready for tomorrow. Tuko na shughuli ingine kama hii. Tuko na outside catering tomorrow. So we're preparing since we'll be having breakfast and lunch. Hatutaki kulate, we want to be there on time na to deliver vizuri so that we can bring happiness to your next event. So guys, what do you say to our viewers?
Book with Joy Luxury Events and African Falls.
Yes, book with us for amazing and unforgettable event. So guys, see you in our next video. We love you so much. Bye bye.